Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of the front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wings. See those? The term wingman can also be translated as wing-footed. These term flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And you know what? They're often been taken like the sails, which are very much alike. Some differences between the sail and the sail in the fact they are bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land.
Ayun, sising sila pi. Tingnan mo.
And that's a fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for Sea Lion Red? And you know what, guys? They also have these long and flexible legs. How flexible it is? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for Isis and Ira? As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of coarse hair, and the whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. It contains nerve fibers, which makes them sensitive. Let's smile. Okay! You can also use the whiskers to aid identification of to detect vibrations from prey underwater. And there's a small external ear, give you a good sense of hearing, both above and below the surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight, but not color visions. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shore. Like rocky cliffs with tide pools, they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have an excellent climbing abilities. Fish got listening to Rocky Land. Check this out. Right, you know, around the ocean. Now, let's talk about our sweet abilities. Let's start with Ira. That's you, man. Sea lions generally uses 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that is their normal swim. Nice and easy. One more demo, Ira. But when you're chasing their prey or escaping from predators, you can keep a first speed up to 20 aces, 25 miles per hour! And that's actually fast. Well, how about a round of applause for accidents? The pretty yes. That's one girl. Back to you, Sid. Oh, another one! She deserves it. This is a realistic story about the sea lions. You know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in special operations? Yep, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for 20 minutes. They can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected from way down the water, they're taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright, ladies, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now let's march! Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, up to salute!
Bravo!
Now, this time, would you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? In the count of 3. Everybody will salute and let's make this one loud. So guys, folks, kids, are you ready? Come on guys, you can do better than that. Are you ready? Let's go! 1, 2, 3, salute everybody! Thank you so much. Sea lions have also used to search and recover weapons from the water.
Palakpak. No. Nilaban, no?
We got everything. The balls is the rings, the rings is the balls. Now let's move on. Hey, Trainer Bond, I was copying you. What does you want? Nothing, okay. Connected to you now? Thank you. So I say, here in the Ocean Park, we have 6 South American tickets. Hey, Trainer Bond, maybe she wants to say something. Okay, tell Trainer Bond. Okay. And what's that? We are not yet done. And why? Oh, there's one more missing object. Are you sure about that, Ira? You're pretty sure, huh? That's IC's. Hey, Ate, is there one more? No more! Yeah! Let's ask the audience to prepare. Hey guys, folks, is there one more missing object? Are you sure? Hey, look, you guys is so sad. Hey, Ira, stop that. That's bad. Okay, guys, if there's really one more missing object, would you please tell ISIS what that is? It's a... What? A gun. Are they right, Ira? Well, I think there's a mission for us to search for that missing toy gun. Let's go! Vámonos! Search for that missing toy gun. Mission Impossible. Is this in there? You don't think so, huh? But keep on searching. Hey, it's searching. That's correct. Come on, guys. Follow the mission. Keep on rolling. That's rolling, guys. Keep on looking. Where's that missing toy can you be? Come on, guys, stay inside of it yet. So, Laddie, welcome to searching and focus the mission. Focus! Stay focused! Hey, girls! Let's focus! Come on, girls, you might broke something in here. My guys, stop playing around. Give me an update. That's not funny like this. Hey, yeah, please. Nothing like this. Come on, Ira. Come on. Hey, what's that? You found it? Well, come on and prove it to us. Hey, see, Ira will find it. Don't think so, huh? Let's wait for her. Oh, nice, yeah! He found it! How about a round of applause for Ira? Mission complete! Great job, girl. Another one for ISIS to cheer her up. Come on, guys! Another round of applause for ISIS! Sorry, girls. Better luck next time. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now we've come to the part of the show that one of you will meet ISIS up close and personal. If you're willing to volunteer, just raise your right hand and we'll choose one. Sorry kids, we need an adult female for this. Okay guys, in case you would like to know, here in the Ocean Park, we have 6 South American sea lions consisting of 5 females and only 1 male. They came all the way from Chile, South America, and they arrived here last July 4, 2009. Scientific name is Sotaya palacensis, meaning little pure ducks, formerly known as Otaera byronia, and sometimes they are called as Leon Marino.
Magkaganyan ka lang, hindi ako kasama.
Okay.
Iwanan lang kita doon sa trailer, ha? Antayin ka lang namin sa may labas. Ha?
Ay English.
Wala ako. Mamaya.
Good afternoon, sir. What's your name? Round of applause, Mr. Lorenzo. Okay, sir. Can you make your way to ISIS and trainer with? Careful. Okay, Sir Lorenzo, I have a question for you. Is this your first time with the Asilanan Ghost? First time? Well, a flipper shake is always appropriate. Old ISIS flipper. Look at camera and smile. Hey, ISIS, this is a smile. There you go, much better. How about more photos with ISIS? Bold ISIS shoulder. Palm face to profile. Okay, I think we're done. Sir Lorenzo, say goodbye to ISIS. But hey, no. Let's do something else. Okay, help I know when. Okay.
Wing.
Oh, I know that smile. You know what, Sir Lorenzo? Before you leave, ISIS would love to give you a goodbye.
Layo.
Is the kiss, girl? No, I think. And the kiss should be on the lips, of course. Lip to lip, guys. Okay, sir, first of all, two hands at the back and the upper lip for 3 lovely seconds. Don't be so excited. Two hands at the back. Alright, and then 1, 2, 3, and it's a happy satisfied student. How about the teacher's line? Upper left cheek. So sweet. And since you're a good sport about the walking track, all ISIS flipper. Now they head to the air, open your mouth, walking around the block for lucky guests. Thank you so much, sir. You may go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. By the way, guys, we would like to invite you all to a photo encounter with our sea lion friends at Marine Life Habitat, where you can get a kiss, flipper shake, or walking shot as well. If you're interested, all you have to do to sign up with our very handsome photographer right here, wearing your green shirt, and he will be waiting for you right at the exit area. And you can grab this opportunity right after the show. Now, this time, would you like to see a dance number with our sea lion friends? Come on, guys! Make some noise! Music over and up! A white bye for you guys! Let's